Ren, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new tech accessories for today, and also this for my tech accessories for my Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. And here we goes. I already have the super fast wireless charger for the Samsung, right? And it's also super fast wireless charging, maximum of 15 watts. Oh, that's okay, that's okay. So I got this from Walmart, right? And also super fast wireless charger, Galaxy phone and Galaxy buds. Oh, okay. So okay, let's go. We're gonna open this up. So yes, there's no, right? Okay, gonna have to open this up, and then let's go. Gonna see. So this is a power bank, right? So a power bank which is a wireless charging also, right? So okay, let's go check it out. Oh, a big one. Okay. Oh, feels kind of heavy, right? So I'm gonna have to, you know so here it goes. So this is the wireless charger for the my Samsung. So this is also a power bank, right? So I can bring this anywhere also, right? And then here it goes. It is right here. So right, so oh, okay. So this is not a, what is this called? This is not a power bank, right? So since it comes up with this one, right? So and this is for the Samsung, right? So this is for the Samsung, and which is we've got some USB-C to USB-C. So this is not a power bank, wireless power bank, right? So this is for, for the Samsung, right? You can see right there it is a USB-C, right? And then here it goes, right? Perfect. It is also gonna have to, charge that up right there. Yes, and then you can have to, yeah, like that, what, have to put your phone right that, and then you're just gonna have to charge it up. So okay, let's go gonna test it up. Okay, let's go gonna test, is it gonna be working? Okay, so which is I already have one in here, so I'm just gonna have to use this one. Okay, I'm just gonna have to use this one, and I'm gonna have to take this another USB-C cable, right? So instead of using this, so I'm gonna have to, yes, and it's also right there. And then also let's gonna try it up if it's gonna be charging. All right, yes, here it goes. It is really charging, and it also put in the screen fast wireless charging, right? So this one right here is for only, I'm gonna have to use this also, right? So I'm gonna have to use it, so right there. Okay, so since I am using the USB-C PD, right, it is also the charging brick of this one is also a fast charging, right? So let's go gonna check it out for my Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus if it is gonna be also be working. Okay, so I have my Galaxy Buds Plus right over here. So I'm gonna have to take my phone, and then also I'm gonna have to put this on right over here. So let's go gonna charge it up. Yes, and yes, it is really charging. So okay, as you can see, there's the red LED, there's a red LED button right over. So it is already charging. But hey, wait, okay, I think I've got an idea. So what if I will, this is the one gonna be charging up my, my Galaxy Buds Plus, so this is for my phone, right? What? Yeah, right. So I think I need a dual charging brick USB-C, right, to use it up. Nice. Yeah, yes, yeah. It's perfect, It's perfect for just like that, just like. But I think it would be good for me to have this one. So this is gonna be the, I think so. I think this one right here is gonna be my that one like that. So since it is not charging it up, so okay, but also gonna have to use this one also for the charging, right? So since it is already charging, yes, as you can see right there, if you cannot see the blinking of the red button of my Galaxy Buds Plus, right? But it is already, but it is already charging it up right here in this charging base, right? So yes, I really like this one also, since this is for the Samsung, right? Exclusively for Samsung, right? And it's also, this is a good idea if you want to have this, right? So I really like this one also. I really like this one. So it is so perfect, and it's also nice for me to have this. It's because you can charge your wireless, you can charge up your Samsung phone, which is also supported now wireless, since from the start of the Samsung Galaxy S20, right? I think S20 above. So they already since they already into the wireless category, right? So since Apple has a wireless charging, so Samsung already did, right? Samsung already did, so exclusively for Samsung. So if you want to have this, so you can check into the Walmart, so in the electronic section. Okay, so and also I'm gonna link down below. Okay, I'm gonna put down below the link for this one, right? So if you want to have this, so if you are Samsung user, Samsung Galaxy S23, 24, 25, Samsung Galaxy S23, 24, 25 FE. So right, so this is perfect, and perfect for you to have this one. So and also I really like this. And then it that one charging it up, right? So perfect, and also I really love it. So okay, and also I can have this secondary right over here for me to have this. So but hey, perfect for it for me to have a spare, right? So okay, so I think that's it for today's vlog. So, and I hope you enjoy watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify by coming for your videos. Okay, so stay tuned, and I'm gonna give you some of my good stuff. So, okay, stay tuned for more. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe.